So today I'm going to show you guys how to do cold brew coffee. And what you're going to want to do is pick out a really good whole bean coffee. I use this one here. I get it from Aldi. I really like it a lot. It's nice and smooth. And you're going to want to grind it in your coffee grinder to medium, a coarse grain grind. You're going to want to grind it medium to coarse, and it's going to look about like this. You just don't want it to be too fine ground. And since I'm doing a half-gallon size mason jar, I'm going to be grinding up more beans than I would if I was doing a quart-size jar. Almost double of what I do. I don't like it too strong, but the neat thing is you can customize it to how you like it and how strong you like it, which is why I love making this at home. It's so delicious, and you get to make it how exactly you like it. Next, we're going to grab some cold water to add to it. I like to use filtered water just because we have well water and it's very rusty. So the filtered water makes it taste a lot better. And you're going to want to just fill it all the way up and give it a good shake when you're done. And throughout the 12 to 24 hours, I like to give it a shake too, just to incorporate all the flavor. And you're just going to let it sit out on your countertop for 12 to 24 hours with a lid on. And some people prefer to put it in their fridge and brew, others on the counter, but I've done it both ways and I really enjoy it the room temperature way. I think the flavor tastes a lot richer, but it's totally up to you. So this is after 24 hours, and what you want to do is give it a little bit of a shake, and then what you're going to want to do is get your French press. I really like this French press. I actually got this one at Walmart. The brand is called Bodum, B-O-D-U-M. It's very strong and durable. I've had other ones before that just don't hold up that well for how much I use it, because you can also use it for making tea, hot coffee, and also this cold brew. The top on it is very nice, and what I like to do then is dump all of the cold brew into the French press. So just dump it all in there, and then what you're going to want to do is press it down. Now if the press gets a little bit stuck, all you do is just lift up a little bit and then push it back down, and there you have it. Now what I like to do is put all of the freshly pressed cold brew right back into the half-gallon mason jar, and it is good to go for a whole week. It depends on how much coffee you're going to be drinking, but this lasts me and my husband for a full week, and I dilute it also once I mix it up, and I will also be showing you guys how I do that next step right after this.